District. A district is a region or area defined for administrative, judicial, or other official purposes. Legally, a district refers to a specific geographic territory established by law for the purposes of jurisdiction or administration. It often defines the geographical limits of a court's authority, that is, a judicial district, or it can define the area managed by a particular administrative or governmental body. The concept of a district is fundamental to organizing various government functions, like ensuring proper allocation of resources or defining the scope of legal authority within a larger territory, like a state or a country. For example, the United States federal court system is divided into judicial districts, with each state having at least one US district court whose jurisdiction is limited to that geographical area. Countries like India divide their states into administrative districts for the purposes like policing, revenue collection, or education. Also to note here is there is also a concept of electoral districts, which are geographic areas used to determine representation in legislative bodies.